You've tuned into Future Edge Vision, your one-stop channel for everything futuristic. We're here to enlighten and entertain, while navigating the twists and turns of emerging technologies. Our journey takes us into the heart of artificial intelligence, robotics, and the fascinating ethical conundrums they present. We're committed to unraveling the complexities of these cutting-edge topics, providing a platform for thoughtful discussion and insights. So buckle up as we prepare to delve deep into the world of AI-driven robotics and their ethical implications. AI-driven robotics, a realm once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now a reality. This technology, a blend of artificial intelligence and robotics, is revolutionizing industries across the globe. From automated manufacturing lines, where robots tirelessly assemble intricate products, to the healthcare sector, where AI systems aid in diagnosing diseases and personalizing patient care, AI-driven robotics is making waves. But what is AI-driven robotics? It's a field that integrates artificial intelligence, enabling robots to learn from their environments, make decisions, and perform tasks independently, enhancing their efficiency and capabilities. However, this impressive technology is not without its challenges. As we delegate more tasks and decisions to these autonomous systems, we encounter a new frontier of ethical dilemmas. How do we ensure fairness in AI decision-making? What about transparency and accountability? These questions are just the tip of the ethical iceberg. However, as with all powerful technologies, AI-driven robotics brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas. Consider the case of autonomous vehicles, a rapidly developing field in AI-driven robotics. As we delve into the world of self-driving cars, we come face to face with a host of ethical dilemmas. The most well-known among these is perhaps the trolley problem. This thought experiment places us in a situation where the car must choose between two equally devastating outcomes. Imagine a self-driving car cruising down a road when suddenly an obstacle appears. The car must make a split-second decision: veer left and risk the lives of a group of pedestrians, or veer right and endanger the passenger's life. How should the car decide? Which life is more valuable? This dilemma highlights the difficulty of programming a machine to make ethical decisions. Ethics, after all, is deeply human and subjective. What one person deems ethical, another might not. So, whose ethics should we program into these vehicles? This question further complicates when we consider cultural and societal differences. In some cultures, for example, the elderly are revered and their safety prioritized. In others, children or pregnant women might be given utmost importance. How can we expect a machine to navigate such intricacies? Moreover, even if we could agree on universal ethical standards, how do we translate abstract principles into concrete algorithms? It's one thing to say, always prioritize the greatest number of lives, but it's quite another to program that into a machine that must make real-time decisions under unpredictable conditions. And let's not forget about accountability. If an autonomous vehicle causes an accident, who is responsible? The vehicle's owner, the manufacturer, the programmer who wrote the decision-making algorithm, or the AI system itself? These are not just philosophical questions. They're practical problems that scientists, engineers, ethicists, and policymakers must grapple with as we continue to advance in the field of autonomous vehicles. The case of autonomous vehicles highlights the complexities of programming ethics into AI systems. This serves as a reminder that as we stride towards a future where machines make more of our decisions, we need to ensure we're consciously, thoughtfully, and ethically guiding the course. Another sector where AI-driven robotics is making waves is healthcare. The potential benefits are enormous. We're talking about faster diagnoses, more precise treatments, and even the possibility of predicting and preventing diseases before they strike. But, as with any powerful tool, there are ethical dilemmas that we need to address. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of privacy. Our health information is deeply personal. It's not just about our medical history, but it can reveal aspects about our lifestyle, our genetics, even our potential future health risks. In the hands of AI, this information could lead to breakthroughs in medical research and personalized healthcare. But, and it's a big but, it also opens the door to potential misuse. It's a delicate balance between advancing medicine and protecting individual privacy. Then there's the question of trust. Can we put our faith in a machine to make accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations? AI can analyze vast amounts of data far more quickly than a human doctor. But medicine isn't just about data. It's also an art. It requires empathy, intuition, and the ability to understand the nuances of human health. Can a machine really replace that? And let's not forget the issue of accountability. If an AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? The developers of the AI? The doctors who relied on its diagnosis? Or the hospital that implemented it? This is an issue that has yet to be fully resolved. Finally, there's the risk of widening health inequalities. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but only for those who can afford it. Without careful regulation, we could end up with a two-tier healthcare system, with the rich benefiting from cutting-edge AI treatments, while the poor are left behind. The healthcare sector shows us that while AI can greatly improve our lives, it also raises serious ethical questions. These aren't easy issues to resolve, but they're conversations we need to have if we're to fully harness the power of AI in a way that benefits us all. These real-world cases shed light on the ethical dilemmas that AI-driven robotics present. Our journey into the realms of autonomous vehicles and AI in healthcare has revealed the complex and challenging ethical dilemmas we face. We've seen how autonomous vehicles, while offering enormous potential for safety and efficiency, also force us to grapple with difficult questions about responsibility and decision-making. Who's at fault if an AI-driven car crashes? How do we program these vehicles to make split-second decisions that could impact lives? We've also delved into the world of AI in healthcare. Here, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we diagnose and treat illnesses, but it also raises concerns about privacy, accuracy, and the human touch in medicine. Can we trust an AI to make life or death decisions about our health? What happens when the data it uses to make those decisions is flawed or biased? These aren't just theoretical questions. They're real dilemmas that we'll have to confront as AI-driven robotics become more and more a part of our everyday lives. They're questions that will challenge us, that will force us to rethink our values and priorities. But they're also questions that offer us an opportunity to shape the future of AI in a way that reflects our highest ideals. As we step further into the future, these ethical considerations will become increasingly important. That brings us to the end of our journey today into the ethics of AI-driven robotics. We're grateful for your time, and we hope that this has sparked some thought-provoking discussions. Perhaps you've even found yourself questioning some preconceived notions. We invite you to keep the conversation going in the comments. Your insights are valuable. Together, we can navigate the complexities of this fascinating field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Edge Vision for more insights into the world of tomorrow.